Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Of course, today I want to share with you some very delicious stuffed chilaquiles. Yes, you heard correct. Stuffed chilaquiles that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these amazing stuffed chilaquiles, these are the ingredients. I have tomatoes, chiles serranos, 1 garlic clove, red onion, Monterey Jack cheese, Maseca, sour cream, vegetable oil, water, and a little bit of chicken bouillon. This is everything we need to prepare these amazing stuffed chilaquiles at home. So let's get started. I want to start by making the dough first, and I'm using the Maseca. I am going to gradually be adding water, warm water, until it becomes a dough. And it really doesn't take too long. Remember, don't add too much water at one time. Add a little bit at a time until the dough is nice and soft. And I will show you how the dough should be so that you know when the dough is ready to make these amazing stuffed chilaquiles. When you press on the little ball and it doesn't crack on the edges, that means that the dough is nice and lubricated. Let me show you one more time. If you press and the dough doesn't crack from the edges, then that means that it is ready. I'm gonna cover it with saran wrap and I'm gonna let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I am rinsing my tomatoes and my serrano chilies. And now let's go to the stove. My skillet is nice and hot. I'm gonna add the tomatoes, the chiles serranos, and I'm going to add my garlic clove. Just make sure that you keep an eye on them when they are roasting, because the garlic clove will roast faster than anything else. So just take your time, flip your garlic clove, and when it starts releasing the amazing flavor, then it's ready to remove. You don't want to burn your garlic clove, so just be careful, okay? I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And now that the tomatoes and the chiles serranos are ready, nice and toasted, I'm going to start removing them, and I am going to add them to my blender cup. I'm going to add the tomatoes first, and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, which is the chiles serranos and the garlic clove. I am going to add the chicken bouillon. Remember that the chicken bouillon is to taste, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. You don't need more than 1 cup. 1 cup should be enough. After it's nice and blended, have ready a pan with a little bit of oil and then cook your salsa. Let it cook until it's nice and boiling from the center. And when your salsa is ready, taste it and see if it needs a little bit more of the chicken bouillon. And now I'm ready to make those tortillas for my chilaquiles. Look at this. I'm gonna start making 2 tortillas just like that, and I'm gonna be adding the Monterey Jack cheese. This is very easy to prepare at home. They come out amazing. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Look at this. It's so easy. Pinch the sides so the cheese doesn't come out when you are frying your chilaquiles. I'm gonna continue doing the same. It's really easy. I know that it's time consuming, but when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Look at this. All those little diamonds, very easy to just press your fingers, all the edges, just so that you are sure that the cheese is not gonna come out. Just don't add too much cheese, just enough. Look at this. I'm gonna continue making the rest of the chilaquiles, just like that. Pinch the sides really tight, and then voila, you are ready to start frying them once you are done. Very easy to prepare. And here I have a batch ready. I have already on the stove a pan with oil getting nice and hot, and let's go over there. And now that the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to start by dropping every single one just slowly. I'm going to add 4 to 5. I have a plate with some napkins to take the excessive oil out. I'm going to continue frying these chilaquiles. Look at this. This looks amazing. My home smells delicious. And to tell you the truth, I can't wait to enjoy them. They're filled with a lot of cheese, and I'm going to continue making the rest. So I'll see you in a bit. Now I am completely done. I am ready to prepare my onion. Start slicing the onion really small, really thin. This onion really makes a difference when you're enjoying your stuffed chilaquiles. Okay, let's prepare the plate. On the bottom of the plate, I'm going to add, and be very generous with my sauce, I'm going to add the chilaquiles right on the top. My mouth is watering. I'm adding some sour cream. I'm adding the onion. I'm adding some extra cheese right on the top. And I'll see you in just a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy. Beautiful family, I am done with this amazing stuffed chilaquiles. And of course, like it's nice and hot here in California, I am going to enjoy a dragon fruit lemonade that of course you guys already have on my channel. But let me stop talking and let me enjoy these amazing homemade stuffed chilaquiles. Let's see. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. All that cheese, perfection, made at home. Just amazing. The combination of the stuffed chilaquiles and a perfect and refreshing dragon fruit lemonade, perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make them at home and you enjoy them with your family like I enjoy them here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.